This is the T-fal Signature Series 8.5-inch and 10.5-inch frying pan. And these are also dishwasher safe as well. They also come with handles and with a soft grip. And they also have holes in it so you can hang it up too. They also have Thermo-Spot technology. That means it's going to indicate when it's heated up. And also it has an even heat base, so there's not going to be any hot spots. And this is also non-stick as well as scratch resistant too. Perfect. This measures 8.5 inches in diameter, and this one measures 10.5 inches in diameter. Here's a close-up of the 8.5-inch frying pan. And look how nice this is. Here's a close-up of the 10.5-inch frying pan. Absolutely beautiful. And look how nice and deep it is. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.